Welcome back. So is there a drug ring cartel in the Hindi film industry? Because this issue was raised today in the parliament on day one of the session, and BJP MP Ravi Kishan leading that charge in Lok Sabha today, adding that a conspiracy is being hatched to destroy the country's youth with agencies which are now investigating the Bollywood drug cartel. Ravi Kishan has gone on to add that the youth have to be saved because they follow their icons of the film industry. This, as the Narcotics Bureau, remember, has taken into arrest 7 more people linked in the Sushant Singh Rajput drug link connected case, and with regard to Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother Shauvik also in arrest. Now the NCB has conducted raids at Shauvik's friend, one by the name of Suryadeep Mehrotra's house today morning. Suryadeep is now being questioned by the Narcotics Bureau. Rhea and Shauvik already in jail right now. They are already being questioned in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case and connected to possible drug angle.
हम सब जानते हैं कि हमारे देश में ड्रग ट्रैफिकिंग, ड्रग एडिक्शन की समस्या बढ़ती जा रही है। हानिकारक दवाओं के सेवन के माध्यम से देश की युवा पीढ़ी को बर्बाद करने की साजिश रची जा रही है। मुझे दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है कि इस साजिश में हमारे पड़ोसी मुल्कों का हाथ है। प्रतिवर्ष चीन और पाकिस्तान के रास्ते देश में भारी मात्रा में नशे की दवाइयों की तस्करी होती है, मंगाई जाती है पंजाब के रास्ते, नेपाल के रास्ते, और नशे की दवाइयां हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी इसके एडिक्शन करवा दी। अरे सुनो यार, हमारी वो एडिक्शन आज हमारी सरकार ने कई लोगों को पकड़ा है, पकड़े जा रहे हैं। एनसीबी इज डूइंग वेरी गुड वर्क, बट महोदय, दुख की बात है कि इस प्रकार की गतिविधियां हमारी इंडस्ट्री के द्वारा भी, जहां पे स्टारों को देखा जाता है, उनको रोल मॉडल माना जाता है, तो मैं आपके माध्यम से केंद्र सरकार से आग्रह करता हूं, अपनी सरकार से, जो हिसाब से आज हम लोग एकदम इनको चारों तरफ पकड़ रहे हैं, तो ये सख्त कार्रवाई की जाए, दोषियों को जल्द पकड़ा जाए, उन्हें उचित सजा दी जाए, तथा पड़ोसी देशों की जो साजिश है युवा पीढ़ी को बर्बाद करने की, उस पर रोक लगाई जाए महोदय।
Let's go across to Mumbai. Divyesh Singh has been tracking all the latest in this possible drug cartel link in the film industry. Divyesh, the matter has reached the parliament now. So is it likely that even the Narcotics Bureau is now going to raid more, take into custody more people? Are you looking at that chain trail beginning to expand itself in the film industry? Divyesh, can you hear me?
Yeah, Pooja, the NCB, Narcotics Control Bureau, continues with its crackdown. There have been several peddlers, several dealers who've been already arrested. Remember, 6 people were arrested yesterday, and also there have been 2 raids and searches which are going on since early morning today. Suryadeep Mehrotra, who is said to be a friend of Shauvik Chakrabarti, he is under arrest, while Narcotics Control Bureau is raiding another premise within Mumbai itself, and the raids are continuing there as well. NCB officials are looking for possible recovery of drugs, narcotics and banned substances from these people. These names, remember, Pooja, have emerged while investigating several drug peddlers who are already in custody, whose names have cropped up from call detail records of Shauvik Chakrabarti, from call detail records of various drug peddlers who are presently in custody. On basis of that, armed with these CDRs, NCB officials questioned all the arrested drug peddlers, and remember, they have revealed a few names, and Suryadeep Mehrotra's name cropped up while interrogating Shauvik Chakrabarti, scanning his phone, his messages, and also when various other drug peddlers were taken into custody. There's another search and raid that is going on in Mumbai.
Yes.
This has been confirmed by NCB officials, but they are yet to divulge details on whose premises are presently being raided. Meanwhile, Suryadeep Mehrotra has been placed under arrest, and
keep track of all that later. So that means there are more raids taking place, according to Divyesh. Remember, Divyesh has been on the ground from day one, not conjectures, putting out verified information. Divyesh, thank you very much for now. So it's a wrap on this bulletin, but don't go anywhere. I'll be